Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about one confirmed airdrop which is called Altitude. Okay, so they officially announced they're going to do an airdrop. So if you just participate in their testnet, no, so as of now their testnet is live. So if you do at least 5 transactions, you will be eligible for this airdrop. Okay, so the Altitude token will be airdropped to you. So what are the criteria we're going to see? And not only that guys, so this platform is supporting layer 0 network and one of the first dApps built on layer 0. Okay, so by participating in this airdrop, you are actually increasing the chance of getting the layer 0 airdrop also. So in this video we are going to see guys how to participate in their testnet. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and continue watching guys. By clicking the like button, it means a lot to me, and comment below whatever doubt you have. And this is my Telegram channel where you can find all sorts of information about crypto and airdrop details and everything, even all these links, no, so this site link and bridge link and everything will be able to find inside my Telegram channel. I'll leave that link in the description. So with that being said guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, what we have to do is we need to do all these following tasks. Okay, so it's nothing but just we need to go inside and follow them. Just go inside their profile and follow them. Just click follow, and once you follow them, come back again there. Okay, so guys, once you follow them, just come back here, and we gotta mainly do this Altitude testnet 5 transaction. Okay, so that's what we're going to see. I'll show you in a while, and before that go inside this and all. Okay, so we just gotta tweet them. Okay, just click on that and it will take you to the Twitter page. Just do the retweet, and same goes here also. Just open this and do the tweet and come back here, and finally join their Discord. Okay, so just click on the detail. If you click on the detail, so here you can see, no, just click on this, then it will take you to their Discord account. So just come inside their Discord guys, and then click on verify, then the role will be added as a Altitude. Okay, so after you do this, just head back here and just go inside and do the tweet and like also. Okay, so once you do that, so final step is testing their platform, and I'll leave that link also in the description. So once you click on that, it will take you here. Okay, so this is their website only. So first thing, you can connect your wallet here. Just click on connect wallet and connect MetaMask. So your MetaMask wallet will get connected. Okay, it's in the Avalanche chain. So now what we gotta do is we gotta click on this transfer. Okay, so first thing we're going to do the bridging only. So once you come inside the bridge, no, so here you see the balance is shown up here or not. Okay, so I've already claimed it, that's why for me balance is shown up here. So for you it won't show. So what you have to do is we need to claim the ALTD token. Okay, so in order to claim that, what we have to do is we have to open this. Okay, so this link also you'll be able to find in that one. So once you come inside this platform, here you can see on top, no, so open this link first. Okay, so if you open that link, this page will come. So here only we're going to claim the Altitude token. Okay, so faucet token, it doesn't have any value now. So before you claim it, you need to have at least some test token of Avalanche. So in order to claim that test token, you need to open this link. Okay, so just open this link. Once you open that link, this page will come. So once this page comes, we need to connect our wallet. Just click on that and connect your wallet, and once you connect your wallet, your wallet address will be automatically shown up here, and then just click claim, no. So if you click claim, you will be able to get 2 Avalanche token. So once you receive the 2 Avalanche token from here, then head back here. Okay, then after that you come back here and just connect the wallet, and once your wallet got connected, it will be looking like this. For example, right now it's saying like switch chain. Okay, so first thing, I've already claimed. Okay, so they won't let me claim again. I have to wait 24 hours, then only I'll be able to claim. So for you it will show here connect wallet and then claim it. So once you click on that, and then you'll be able to claim the Altitude token. So that's how I claimed just now. So after you claim it, head back here. Okay, so then you will be able to find the balance here. Okay, so once you got the balance, now we are going to transfer ALTD token from Avalanche network to BNB network. Okay, so we have to type the amount. I'm gonna send some 50, so just click 50, just type 50 and then click send token. So once you click send token, MetaMask will pop up. We have to do the transaction here from that to here. Okay, and now you can see transaction got confirmed. Okay, so it will be transferred. Here you can see the balance also detected. Again, that 50 token is gone now. So after you do this task, no, so the next task is just select this pool. Okay, so like this you can do 5 transactions. So first thing what we did is one transaction, it will count as a one transaction. Like that you need to change it from the different chain. You try to change it from different chains. Okay, so first you tried Avalanche, so now again choose this BNB, and then it will change the network. Okay, so it will change the network. Just click switch network. Once you click switch network, now here you can see it's in the BNB network now. So here already I claimed this token. Okay, that's why it's showing 1050. So this 50 only we send from there to here. Now you can send it from BNB chain to this Metis chain. Okay, so again you can type 50 token, and then you can transfer from there to here. Okay, so just click send. So once you click send, and here you can see like it will take 0.005 BNB as a fee. Okay, so this fee is nothing but a test token only, so you need to have some test token of BNB test tokens. Okay, so then click confirm. Once you click confirm, it will be transferred from there to here. Okay, so like this you need to do at minimum 5 transaction. So like that, do minimum 5 transaction, and after that you come to this pool. Okay, so in the pool you can see different things are there. So I'm gonna choose one thing. Okay, and we can add and remove. So we're going to add 100 token here. Okay, so I'm just gonna type 100, and I'm gonna click the change network. First we need to change the network first. Okay, change the network into Avalanche. So now it came. So now we have to enter the number of amount. Okay, so I'm just gonna type 5, and I'm going to select set allowance, and we have to do this transaction now. Click next, and then click approve. So once the transaction got done, just click add liquidity, and we have to pay the gas fee in AVAX. So these also test tokens only. You don't need to worry about anything, guys. Everything is a test token only. So just do the transaction. Just do the transaction and then add the liquidity. Okay, so once your liquidity is successfully added, then it's done. So now here you can see your transaction was successful. So even we added our liquidity successfully. If we want to remove, we can even remove it. Okay, so if you just select the maximum, and if you click remove liquidity, then it will be removed. So after you add the liquidity, just click on this form. Okay, so once you click on the form, here you can see this is where our LTP is available. No, so that's where we added our liquidity. So just click on the maximum, and then set an allowance. Here also we can form our ABT BNB LP token. Okay, so select maximum, and click next, and then just click approve. So once you click approve, it will be done. Guys, here we are not paying any amount. Okay, so just testnet only. It won't even take 10 minutes to try out all these things. Okay, so just try out everything. It will be benefit for you only. So finally click the form button, then again it will tell you to do the transaction in the MetaMask. Just scroll down, click confirm. Once you click confirm, it will be done. Okay, so now it's adding to the form, and it got success now. So successfully we added it. So finally we have done bridging also. We added liquidity too. We even formed our token. You can see the staking also is there. Okay, you can even stake using their platform. Okay, so for example, open this and stake some 100 token. Okay, and select this set allowance, and click on the maximum, and then click next, and scroll down, click approve, and now click the stake button. Okay, so the transaction got confirmed, previous one. And after you click the stake button, again we have to do one more transaction in the MetaMask. Scroll down and click confirm, and now it's getting staked. Okay, so now here you can see it got success. So successfully we've done like literally bridging, pool, form, and stake also. So these are the things pretty much you need to do in order to get the eligibility for this airdrop. Okay, actually whomsoever is testing out their testnet, they are planning to do the airdrop. They said it in their Twitter itself. You can go and see inside their Twitter also. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see enter to win an alti egg NFT and earn your ALTD airdrop also. Okay, so this campaign got ended. Okay, I guess in the 18th itself this campaign got ended, so we can test out their testnet platform in order to get the airdrop actually. So here you can see the airdrop confirmed, they even retweeted it, so the confirmed airdrop only. So and we are not spending our real money also here, so just try it out guys, because it's just free of cost only. So we are just spending our time only, little bit of time in order to get this airdrop. This platform is built on layer 0. Okay, so by using this platform you are actually increasing the chance of getting selected for layer 0 airdrop also. Okay, so it's like 2 in 1. So make sure to use this platform guys. If they are providing any sorts of airdrop, you will be eligible for that. And try to do multiple transaction in like if they are telling only 5 transaction, try to do 15 or 20 transaction. Okay, so that it will increase the eligibility for getting the airdrop. So that's it guys, in this video pretty much I covered everything. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.